Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and there were a few changes in Design Space today that I wanted to talk to you about. It is May 17th of 2018, and the first thing I want to show you is I'm logged into my Design Space screen. This is the home page, so it's got the banner across the top with information from Cricut. Then it says My Projects, so there's where you get to your projects. It says the Ready-Made Projects if you have that on there, and then the next thing you're going to see, it says Top Video Tutorials. This is a whole new ribbon of playlist videos for you from Cricut to help you with quick tutorials on how to do certain things in Design Space. It's something people have been asking for, so thank you, Cricut, for doing that. And I'm going to pick one. It says Design Space Fundamentals. Now, I do want to warn you that these are set so they immediately start playing with the sound on. So that may be a problem if you're trying to watch these on the down low at work. So just know that they're going to come on with the sound on. Now, you will notice that this is not just a single video because up here in the left corner it says 1 of 5. So this has a playlist. If you click the little icon next to it, it's going to show you all the other videos that are part of that playlist for that particular video series. So you can certainly click on those and watch those as well. And then the other thing is next to where it says Top Video Tutorials, it says View All on YouTube. So if we click that, it will take you directly to Cricut's YouTube channel where they have a lot of great tutorial videos out here. And I just wanted to point out that over here where it says related channels, there are some of the Cricut product experts listed here, and myself is one of those. So Debbie O'Neill. So if you do not subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so, because I do put out fresh content every week. Tutorial videos on Design Space updates like today, product reviews, and also different projects. And I usually base those on things that you guys have asked me that you want to learn how to make. Please come over and subscribe. So that is one change in Design Space today. And then the other one is, if I'm just going to come over here and grab a project that I set up as a test for you guys, and I'm going to click Make It. We're going to go through the process as if we were going to cut this out. And it's going to go Detect My Maker Machine because that's the one I have on right now. And I'm going to pick my material. So I'm going to say Craft Board. Now, this is where the change happened. It says Load Tools in Matte. So the first icon here is for clamp A. So if there is something on your project that needs to go in the clamp A, it would be listed here. But this one says no tool required. So clamp A is the one where we put our pins go in that clamp, or the score blade goes in that clamp. Okay. So the next one over is for clamp B, and this is where your blade goes. So the change here is that the blade can be changed depending upon the material. You may have blade options. Before, there was like a little link here underneath this, but Cricut's moved it to over here where it says Edit Tools. So we're going to click on that. And when you do that, it's going to give you any tool options that are available for that particular cutting material that you're using. So right now it's defaulted to the fine point blade for cutting the craft board. And that would be fine, except that maybe for some reason I prefer to cut mine with my deep point blade. I'm just saying. So I can change it by clicking on that and then saying Continue. And then you'll notice now that it has changed that material to the deep point blade. All right. Now, this is not going to change it permanently. It's only changing it for this particular project. Okay. So every time you will be given the option if you want to change the blade or not. So those are the changes that are part of Design Space for May 17 of 2018. I hope you found this helpful. And lots of great things coming to Cricut. So be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get all the latest news on what's going on. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. And you find these tips useful.